Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on iPhone. So basically open up your browser, and here as you can see add a new wallpaper to your lock screen or home screen. In the settings app, tab wallpaper and tab add new wallpaper, and then tab photos, people, photo shuffle or live photo to choose your own photo. And if you want, you can customize your wallpaper further. So if you want to do it, I'm going to demonstrate how it's done. Go ahead to the settings and basically go ahead to the wallpaper right here. In the wallpaper, you're gonna just go ahead and select add new wallpaper, and you can choose from the tools that's been used by or that's been given from Apple, right? And you can use it for your for your iPhone, or you can just go ahead and customize your own photo by selecting a photo, people, or photo shuffle in live photos or something like that, right? And basically you're gonna be able to add it, or if you want to get back to your previous photos, just go ahead and swipe right or left to see your recent photos. So basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.